Welcome to your quick guide to kitchen ranges. This is the trade table, where home improvement meets smart design. Your kitchen range is the centerpiece of your cooking space, combining performance, style, and daily functionality. In this guide, we'll help you choose the right kitchen range based on fuel type, size, configuration, and cooking needs. The first decision is fuel type. Gas ranges offer instant heat and precise temperature control, making them popular with serious home cooks. Electric ranges provide even heating and easy installation, especially in homes without gas lines. Dual fuel ranges combine a gas cooktop with an electric oven, giving you the best of both worlds for cooking and baking. Your choice depends on how you cook, your home setup, and personal preference. Kitchen ranges typically come in 30-inch, 36-inch, and larger professional sizes. A 30-inch range works well for most homes and kitchens. A 36-inch or larger range offers more burners, more oven space, and a professional feel, but requires more room and ventilation. Always measure your space and check clearances before buying. Next, think about configuration. Single oven ranges are the most common, while double oven ranges are great for entertaining or large families. Look at burner output, convection ovens, self-cleaning options, and control layouts. Features should match how you actually cook, not just what looks impressive on paper. Well-built ranges deliver better performance and last longer. Brands like Sline, Thor Kitchen, Ilvi, and Forno are known for combining professional-style performance with strong value. Each brand offers different design aesthetics, fuel options, and feature sets, so it's worth comparing models carefully. The right kitchen range should fit your space, cooking style, and long-term plans for your home. To explore quality kitchen ranges and compare trusted brands, visit thetradetable.com, your destination for smarter appliance decisions.